If you want to close your Google Photos account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Make sure to back up any important photos before proceeding. Step 1. Access Google Photos. Open your web browser and go to the Google Photos website or open the Google Photos app on your device. Sign in with the Google account linked to your Google Photos. Step 2. Download your photos. Before closing your account, download any photos or videos you want to keep. You can do this by selecting the items and clicking on the download option. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. In the Google Photos app or website, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the option related to account management or account settings. Step 4. Delete Google Photos data. Find the option to delete your Google Photos data. This may be labeled as delete photos or remove account data. Follow the prompts to confirm the deletion. Step 5. Close your Google account. If you want to close your entire Google account, go to your Google account settings. Look for the option to delete your account and follow the instructions provided. Be aware that this will remove access to all Google services linked to the account. Once you have completed these steps, your Google Photos account will be closed and your data will be permanently deleted. Make sure you are certain about this decision, as it cannot be undone.